such a fun day for us, and we're really proud. Today was the grand opening of our animal health clinic. We're very appreciative of support financially from both the government of Alberta and the government of Canada in supporting this clinic. Well, first of all, it's much needed expanded space, and of course, additional equipment and state-of-the-art equipment that we've never had. You know, some divers are really important to us. It allows our students to practice on models before going to live animals. This building's going to allow us to expand our program, which the industry has such a need for technicians, and we have wait lists in terms of students.
The increased capacity is going to be huge. We always hear from the industry that there's a need for more veterinary technologists to be graduated so that they can be utilized, and also that they have the student learning concept here, that they're going to hit the ground running, be able to participate and be involved and contribute to the practice right after they graduate.
We have our old technology that we had in our old clinic and our new technology that we got here in our new clinic. So we're able to broaden our skills. So when we get out into practice, we have such a larger skill set. Lakeland has the best facilities, the best hands-on learning that you could get here in Canada. I also like that it was close to home. And because our classes are so small, you become really close with your class and your instructors. So you're not just a number, you're an actual person, and I like that.